enjoy, huh? Okay. Now try look at her, not at her stick anymore. You just look at her, you already know what to do, huh? She doesn't know what to do. Okay. Hit something, yeah?
I don't wanna go out. I just wanna stay with you.
Okay.
With you.
There's more to left hand.
'Cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet.
Left hand also.
Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be focused. Don't give me what I want. Just give me what I need. I'll give anything, anything to be free. Don't give me what I want. Just give me what I need, and I'll be out of your way. Give us a sense of direction. Give us a chance to be introspective. 'Cause I need to keep on going. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be forward thinking.
Don't look anymore at her stick. Look at her in the eyes, okay? I don't know what's going on, but look at her in the eyes. Don't not the stick, just look at her. You already know what's going on. Okay. Don't look at her stick. She tries to make you look at her stick. You don't get her stick. Look at her.
I just wanna be
You know where's your stick. Don't look at her stick. Don't look at her stick. Okay, faster.
lost. I just wanna be found.
Don't look at the stick. Look at her.
Sense of direction.
Okay, listen what she says because she's giving you a
Time
message.
for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense. Give me a sense. Give me a sense of flow and motion. Need to keep on going. Need to keep on going. Need to keep forward.
Pa. Okay. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe, huh? Pa.